Coloring books are still the most popular books that sells on Amazon well, but there are so many difficulties that stops authors to create such kind of books. If you wanna know how to change this to this, then watch till the end and you will figure out. Honestly, I didn't want to create this video and tell everything I know to all the people. But come on, who I am to hide it? More than 1 year since I started my KDP journey, I didn't create any coloring books at all. I thought it's too difficult and there are only two options: become a graphic designer or put an order to outsourcing specialist. As you probably understand, the last way was too expensive for me. Because you never know, will your book earn money for you or not. So I even didn't think about it. But now two of my best-selling books are coloring books. For those who are new here, my name is Konstantin and I'm KDP self-publisher. If you wanna know more about KDP business, then follow along this channel and don't forget to give me a thumb button. It's inspired me to provide more videos for you. The first issue I faced up is to find enough graphics to create one full book. But with Creative Fabrika and Pro version of Canva, it becomes a lot easier. The first gave me a great backgrounds for my books. There are plenty of different designers that upload their works on it. So it's a lot easier to find everything in one place. And the Canva helps me to collect everything in one place. But not only for this, it has a magic tool that helps me to find more and more cool graphics. I want to be sincere with you. Till the moment I open Magic Suggestion in Canva, I couldn't create any coloring book at all. The biggest issue is to find enough amount of pictures and collect it in one book. If you create book for kids, for example, from 4 to 7 years old, you can't use pictures from different levels of difficulty. They all should be the same. It would be strange if you take a picture that was created for 13 years old and put it in the book that you create for children from 4 till 7 years. But let's stop talking and go to the Canva website. This is Canva. The link to this website I left in the description below this video. Don't hesitate to use it. And now let's create an interior. Now I want to show you how works this Magic Suggestion tool. Animal. Now I want to find something with black and white graphic. No. This rabbit could be. Okay. Let's try this. No, too difficult and not for coloring. This one, cute, very cute. Okay, as you can see, it's magic recommendations. Click see all, go deeper, dear. Okay, add page. Now we see this deer. Oh, so many cute pictures. Okay, another magic recommendation. Yeah, go inside. Add page. Now we can find something, for example, and there are no more birds, but magic recommendations, see all, and you find more birds. Add page. Try to find the similar graphics with similar level of difficulty. Go back and find, for example, this could be, why not? See all, add page, try to find more easy. Go back. Animal, bird, graphic. You need to do the same way, find something interesting, magic recommendation, see all, go deeper, and every time the magic recommendations will appear and you can go in the rabbit hole. Now let's go back to our first picture. So we have the main character, but there are still plenty of space that we didn't use. Now I will go to Creative Fabrika and try to find some interesting backgrounds for these pictures. The link to this website I also left in description below this video. On this website you can find many covers for your book, interiors, ready upload interiors, different graphics and backgrounds. So let's type something like farm and try to find anything that we can use as a background for our pictures. This not okay because we need to color. Okay, type graphics, better. No. You need to spend some time to find your perfect background. I didn't find anything I like, so let's go back and be more specific. Farm landscape. Oh, it's more interesting. The first one, we can use it. We need to find something with black and white design. No. Let's go back. Farm landscape. Let it be village. Okay, the next one. Interesting. Yes. Okay, let's check what we found. We can use at least 1, 2, 3, 4 backgrounds for our pictures. The next one. 2 more backgrounds. The next one. And the next one. The same. Almost the same. I'm not satisfied. Let's go back and try to find more. Oh, here we go. Okay. This one and this one. I have found one more interesting background. Let's use it. Here we go. And here we are. For example, position to the backward. And what we see? We see the rabbit, but there are too many lines that we don't want to see. Let's zoom in. So it's not very good rabbit, yeah? And let's try to add something. Deer, maybe? Okay, for example, let's try this one from this side. Let's make our rabbit a little, yep, something like this. And maybe from above, where's our, okay, let's try this one. Now it's more difficult for kids from 4 to 7 years, but I want to show you the main idea. Let's try do this. There are many lines that we want to delete from this graphic, but we can't do it in Canva. I will use Affinity Designer to delete all the lines I don't want to see on this picture. You can use any other tool such as Photoshop or anything else that has eraser tool. Let's switch to the pixel persona. Took eraser. Go. And start. And now our bird on the first place. So the same we need to do with our rabbit and deer. And here we are. So it took some time, but now we see the result. Now let's go to the file, export as JPEG. And now let's see what we made. This and this. This from this. The same way you can use your animals, collect with different backgrounds and create your own unique coloring book. And now I want to show you the small and interesting tip that I always use. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give me a thumb button. And let's go to the Canva. There is our design. And there are some problems you can face with. Sometimes it's not enough backgrounds for all your book. And what you can do with this issue. Let's duplicate this page. Duplicate. And now zoom out, take background and just drag it, for example, and from this side. Okay, just imagine, no, let's take another view, let it be this one, small kitty. Let it be there, duplicate, another, detach image from background, zoom in from this side. Okay, now let it be, I don't know, this and some other animal. So the main idea is you have only one background, but you can use it 3 times, 4 times, maybe 5 times. It's up to you. Small but very useful advice will help you to create your interesting and great coloring book. And now, if you didn't pick up your niche in coloring book, then I recommend you watching this video. There I telling about my 8 free best methods that I use to make a niche research. This is it. I wish you good luck and hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.